Alright, so this was supposed to be a no-nonsense trip straight to the peak of Superstition Mountains. But look, it's finally flowing. I've never seen this place flowing before, and I'm so fucking glad I finally get to. I was gonna end my shit yesterday too. I was really about to end my shit yesterday, and I wouldn't have seen this. Look at this. At this point, I'm so used to the bees, bro. I don't even care. Look at this. All the bees are right here. Hey guys. Well, I'll chill at this point, right? Look at that, dude. Just the way it like curves. Oh my god. This is the world we live on. I can't believe I take this shit for granted. Look at that. Dude. The tadpoles. Dude, it must have been so lit back in the day. I just saw bubbles come from inside the water. Okay. Damn, dude. Dude, I might just go to the peak tomorrow. Just enjoy this today. This is like my favorite shit right here. It's like when it goes through like small slots or slippery. Like this. Like this is a future canyon. Like dude. Dude, we're so lucky, you guys. We're so fucking lucky. Oh god. I think that's the cloud. No, I should be fine. Yeah, it was storming this morning, by the way, y'all. Like, I got here and there was literally lightning up above. But I just waited it out. And it seems like I'll be fine. But you know how I get paranoid. Dude. Oh, I wish it would rain actually right now. I wish it would flash flood right now, bro. I got shelter. The fuck? I want to see this bitch full, dude. But also, very happy with this. Very content. Thank you, Mother Nature. You a real one for this. Because I was expecting this. I wasn't even going to record anything, dude. I was just going to be like another day going to the peak. But as I was driving towards the mountains, it was just getting lit up by lightning. So I was like, yeah, today's going to be interesting. Damn, dude. I did not think I was going to record anything today. Oh, shit. Oh, I never noticed that. That's spooky. Wait, is that really that rock? That's the cave rock? That's so much bigger than I realized. Dude, that's fucking massive. There's no way. That's the cave rock? Oh, I stepped in water. Now I'm all slippery. Hold up. That is. I guess it's next to it. Still, those are fucking huge, bro. It's crazy to think that one day this will be this. like this is more water than this morning. Am I tripping? Am I wrong? Was it flowing this much when I got here?